I feel the silence every time you go. A heavy heartbeat that you'll never know. You are the memory that pulls me in, a quiet fire burning deep within. Your shadow stays when the lights go low. I close my eyes and I still see your glow. No matter how far you try to run, my heart keeps calling you my only one. Baby, come back to me, mi corazón. Without your love, I'm barely holding on. You were the reason my nights felt warm. Now I'm lost here in this storm. Baby, come back to me, mi corazón. I try to breathe, but I fall apart. Your name keeps echoing inside my heart. I walk the places where we used to be, and every corner whispers you to me. Your scent still lives in the air I breathe, a part of you that refuses to leave. I'm drowning slowly in what's left behind. Your love is tangled in my mind. Baby, come back to me, mi corazón. Without your love, I'm barely holding on. You were the reason my nights felt warm. Now I'm lost here in this storm. Baby, come back to me, mi corazón. If you feel lonely in the dark, just know you're still the beat inside my heart. No matter where this life takes you, my love will always follow through. Baby, come back to me, mi corazón. You're the only truth I've ever known. You were the fire that kept me alive. Without you here, I can't survive. Baby, come back to me, mi corazón.
I walk the edge where the shadows breathe. A cold dark wind keeps pulling at me. My heartbeat hits like a broken drum in the dead of night. That's when you come. Your eyes burn deep like a hidden flame. Whisper my name with a violent game. I try to run, but the night won't break. You're the danger drag me down like a black hurricane. A deep low voice running through my veins. I lose control when you pull me in. You're the darkness living under my skin. Yeah, under our skin. You're the darkness living under my skin. In the midnight air, your echo calls, a low dark sound that shakes my walls. I fall again into the place you've been. You're the darkness living under my skin.
I feel the silence every time you go. A heavy heartbeat that you'll never know. You are the memory that pulls me in. A quiet fire burning deep within. Your shadow stays when the lights go low. I close my eyes and I still see your glow. No matter how far you try to run, my heart keeps calling you my only one. Baby, come back to me. Without your love, I'm barely holding on. You were the reason my nights felt warm. Now I'm lost here in this storm. Baby, come back to me. Mi corazón. I try to breathe, but I fall apart. Your name keeps echoing inside my heart. I walk the places where we used to be, and every corner whispers you to me. Your sense that lives in the air I breathe, a part of you that refuses to leave. I'm drowning slowly in what's left behind. Your love is tangled in my mind. Baby, come back to me. Mi corazón. Without your love, I'm barely holding on. You were the reason my nights felt warm. Now I'm lost here in this storm. Baby, come back to me. Mi corazón. If you feel lonely in the dark, just know you're still the beat inside my heart. No matter where this life takes you, my love will always follow through. Baby, come back to me. Mi corazón. You're the only truth I've ever known. You were the fire that kept me alive. Without you here, I can't survive. Baby, come back to me. Mi corazón.
I walk the night with a fire in my chest. Every step I take is heavy but blessed. Got a heartbeat hidden like a marching drum. When you call my name, I know how come. Your shadow moves and the ground shakes too. Something in your voice pulls me straight to you. I don't run, no, I push right through. Every road I take leads back to you. You hit me hard like thunder in my blood. A deep bass wave rising like a flood. When I'm with you, I break right through. My heart beats heavy and it beats for you. Yeah, it beats for you.